In the last class, we have seen about parts of speech. Let's recall that once. There are 8 parts of speech. There are nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, and interjections. Today we are going to see about nouns. What is my name? Arjun. What is this object's name? Pen. What is this animal's name? Dinosaur. So nouns are words that name person, place, object or animal. So Arjun, pen, dinosaur are nouns. Let's take a sentence. A cat is sleeping. Identify the noun here. I could hear some answers. Yes, you are right. Cat is a noun. That is the name of an animal. There are several types of nouns. They are common noun, proper noun, collective noun, abstract noun, concrete noun and material noun. There are few more that I will explain you later. Common noun names a person, place, animal or thing, but they share their names with many. Examples of common noun. In animal, dog, cat and elephants are common noun. In places, city, park, country. Why city is a common noun? Because it shares name with many. For example, Chennai is a city and Bangalore is also a city. So city is a common noun. Let's take a sentence. A teacher is teaching in the class. Here, teacher is a common noun. Why? We don't know the name of the teacher. So, teacher is a common noun. There are some points to remember about common nouns. They are not capitalized unless it comes at the beginning of a sentence or in a title. They can be singular or plural. The next type of noun we are going to see is proper noun. Proper noun names a particular person, place, objects or animals, but they do not share their names with others. Unlike common nouns, proper nouns are always capitalized, no matter where they appear in a sentence. Examples of proper nouns: Arjun, Chennai, Monday, January. If you notice, they all start with a capital letter. Let's compare with the common noun. I'll tell you 2 sentences. The city is beautiful, Chennai is beautiful. Here, city is a common noun, but Chennai is a proper noun. Here, you can notice that city is a common noun. We don't know which city. It could be any city. If you see the second sentence, the name of the city is given. That is Chennai. And it begins with the capital letter. So Chennai is a proper noun and city is a common noun. I hope you understand what is a common noun and what is a proper noun. Please practice and frame some sentences with common noun and proper noun. We can see about collective nouns in the next class. Bye bye.